Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you how to do witch's broom. So first you put the string over your pinky and your thumb. Take the other hand and just pull it once and then pull it again. And then you take your pinky and your thumb from the other hand, go inside these two and bring it out, much like that. And see these little circles right there? Put your pinky and your thumb in both and pull them until you get it like this. Then take your 3 fingers that match up here in the middle. 1, 2, 3. Just those 3. And go like this. Then there should be a string that you would pull and you would get witch's broom. Then if you just let go, you get bananas. Pull one and it comes off. So if you want to see it real fast, I'll show you. Okay, oops. Okay. Ready, set, go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope that was like good enough that you could understand it.